This video is part of a series of SSIS tutorial videos created by COZYROC. In this video, I will show you how to use the file system task to set attributes for a file. First, I'm going to show you the file that I'll be working with. I'll be working with 5file.xlsx, and I'm going to change the read-only attribute to true. So to show you that in its current state, I can save something in it. I'll type in something and then save it, and that worked just fine. So I'll delete that, save it again, and close it. And now I want to copy the file path to this file. So I hold down the Shift key, right mouse click on the file name, and select Copy as Path. Here we are in Visual Studio, and I'm going to set up a variable to contain the file path. So I'll name this variable file path, and the data type will be string, and I'll paste in the value that I just copied, and I need to remove the double quotes, and I'll remove it at the beginning and the end. Stay tuned to see how I configure the file system task to set attributes for a file. Now I'll drag the file system task onto the canvas, change the name to set attribute of file, and I double click on it to open up the task editor. First I'll go and set the operation to set attributes, and the source path will be a variable, so I'll change this to true. And then I'll choose the variable, which is called file path. And here are the 4 attributes that you can change from here. So I am going to just, for the ones I'm not working with, I'm going to choose the option of no change, which is really handy if you don't know what the setting is for the files you're working with. You just want to change one attribute and leave the rest alone. So I'm just going to work with the read-only attribute, and I'm changing it from false to true. And then I click OK to close the task editor. And now I'll save the package and right mouse click on the name of the package and select Execute Package. And it was successful. I'll stop debugging, and we'll go over and open this file again. And now I'll type in something and see if I can save it. And I get the error message telling me we can't save the file because the file is read-only. So it worked. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to follow us on social media, here's how you can do that.